Yeah, come on in. Let's check this place out. Come on. So where you just came into is the Bad Company garage. Demo derby, dirt bikes, snowmobiles, you name it. If it's fun, if it's fabricated, we do it here. First of the year, I usually try to set a hard deadline of when me and the guys are gonna have this place ready to rock and roll, get cars in here, get them stripped, start getting them built. This is where everything happens. Like I said before, we're a little bit behind. We're gonna get that going. We got some cleanup work to do. Picked up these two gems the other day though, for the fat price tag of free. And who doesn't love free? I know I love free. They've definitely seen their better days. Just waving hi to you there. But that's for some future episodes. We'll focus on them. Our main goal today though, I need to get this shop cleaned. I need to get my modified car in here from last year, get that completely gutted, get the motor, cage, bolt-in parts out of it, so that way we can get the new cars rolling in and start getting them built for the year. I need to get all this cage material over here, put under the shelves. I need to organize all this steel. This place is just destroyed right now. So pretty cool. We're cleaning up the barn here and my dad calls me. Says, hey, you come up to the shop, got something for you. That's always a nice surprise. And, I head up there, about a 10-minute drive away. His shop was throwing away a diesel heated car washer. So I snagged this little gem up. That'll definitely get used around here. Said there's a small issue. Their maintenance department is just incompetent. And they were gonna throw it away. Mine now. So I'm thinking we need to move a few things around this shop. I got these speakers here. We're great, in the way, taking up counter space. So I got these brackets. And I got this old shelf here that I'd cut down, I've been saving. So I think we're gonna take that wood and we are gonna remount those speakers up there, all the way over there. I think that'll work good. See how it goes. This is a good time to introduce you to my son. This is Colton. You say hi? Say hi. Now that we got that shelf apart, I guess let's start getting these speakers mounted, huh? Yeah, I think that should work out pretty good. Sounds decent. So we're gonna take a break from cleaning and organizing. Father-in-law just stopped by, asked if he could get his Jeep in here. He's gotta do a front drive shaft, and there's a small hole in his exhaust. We're just gonna see if we can quick patch it up for him. Nothing special. But hang out, we're gonna do that, and then we'll get back to what we were doing.
Yeah.
Once we get it in there.
Was actually a buddy of mine's. It was a pre-ran. Call him Little Ricky. He just couldn't kill this thing. So he offered it up to me for me to run at the Halloween Havoc show in Emily City, Michigan back in October. I had already finished off my mod car for the year, so I didn't have a car. So I threw my setup in this and we took it out there to play. It kind of ended how I wanted, and an expensive trip to the ER that night to get everything set back into place. But we still had a good time. Usually I try to get these cars in pretty quick after they're ran, get them stripped out, get them down the road and to the scrapyard. But as you can imagine, with a fractured wrist and a dislocated thumb, that was a little difficult. So here we are, beginning of January. We're gonna get this thing stripped out because we got another car coming in here soon. Pretty excited about it. We got big plans for this year. Maybe our first team show out of state. See how that goes. But those are for some future episodes. We're gonna start stripping this out in the next one, and we're gonna get her fired up before we strip her out, because we had a few issues and some hiccups that we want to just double check. But until then, appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. and hope to see you in the next one.